Hello friends, welcome to my TechnoDexter's YouTube channel. In our previous video, we have learned about Python strings and string methods. In this video, we are going to cover the remaining parts on a string, that is string slicing and operators on a string. Let's start. String slicing. String slicing is nothing but getting substring from given string. Square brackets are used to access the string elements. Below is the slicing syntax of a string. We can use square bracket with three options on a variable. The options are start, end and step. Start option, it is starting index where the slicing of string starts. End option, end index where the slicing of string ends. Step option, it is optional argument which determines increment between each index. Let's define one string. Good morning. String is nothing but array. So each and every character is stored in a array like this. Below is the indices of each and every character of a string. The string indices will always start from the 0. So let's start slicing. My string 0. So it will take the first character of string, that is capital G. My string colon, it will take all characters, that means it will take all string characters as it is. This will be the output, good morning. My string square bracket colon 4, it will slice the string from 0th index to the 3rd index. So let's see 0th index and the 3rd index. So we will be getting output as good. Remember, it will not consider the 4th index even if we have assigned it here. It will always consider end index minus 1. My string square bracket 5 colon, it will get all the string characters from the 5th index of the string, and we will be getting the output as morning. My string square bracket 5 colon 9, it slices string from 5th index up to the 9th index. The character capital M is present at the 5th index, so it will take the characters present from the 5th index to the 8th index. The output will be mon. String slicing using negative indices. We can use negative indices for string slicing as well. My string -1, here -1 is last character index of the string. It will slice the string and provide the output as small g. My string -7 colon, it will slice the string from negative 7th index onwards. That means we will be getting morning as output. My string -12 to -8, it will provide us good output. It will not consider the 8 character, it will always consider the end index with -1. So we will be getting the output as good from -12 to -9 only. String slicing using step. We have seen that step is an optional argument which determines increment between each index. Consider another string, that is a string of numbers. So let's consider one string which contains numbers only. So to get the better understanding of the concept step here, let's slice it. Numbers square bracket colon 2. So what it does, it will slice string at even index positions with increment of 2. That means we will be getting output as 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Numbers colon 3, that means it will slice indices positions with increment of 3. We will be getting output as 0, 3, 6. Reverse string. So this is very much important, guys. How can we reverse the string? So reversing string using Python is very much easy. We can provide colon -1 slicing to the string variable to get it reversed. So we will be getting the reversed string as output like this. Let's move towards string operations. We can perform different operations on string to modify its structure. Concatenation. So what it means, it is nothing but joining multiple strings together to form new string. Concatenation is performed using plus operator. For example, if we perform addition of these string, we will be getting hello from Technodexterous. It will be concatenated in a single string. In this way, the plus operator is used on string to concatenate it. Multiplication. It is nothing but string repetition and it is performed using star operator. For example, if we multiply string with the number like 3, it will replicate the string as below. It will provide the concatenated form of the same string. It will replicate the same string for the 3 time as we have multiplied the same string with the 3 number. Like this. Let's perform practicals. We are going to use Jupyter Notebook for practical. So let's open Jupyter Notebook by using command prompt. Jupyter Notebook. Press enter. If you have not installed Jupyter Notebook on your system, then you can follow my second video to install it without using Anaconda. Let's create one Python 3 file. Rename it Part-2. Rename. We are going to define one myString variable to store the string good morning in it. MyString. You can run this cell by using two ways. First is you can select the cell and press on run button. It will get run. Other is you can use keyboard shortcut shift and enter to run this cell. So let's start slicing. I will copy this string variable. So we will use first slicing with colon itself. It will print all the string characters. Then we want to slice only good word from this string. So we will slice it using, we will provide start index as a 0 and end index as a 5. It printed good space as well. So why it prints space as well? The string index starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is the part of space. So here we have provided start index as 0 and 5 is as end index. So it will consider 5 minus 1 fourth index as well. So what is the fourth index? It is space. So we need to provide 4 as end index to get exact good string. Now we will get exact good string as output. Let's slice morning from the string. So what is the index of capital M? Let's calculate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will provide 5 as start index, then colon, and we will be getting the morning as output, because after colon we have provided nothing. That means we want to slice the string from the 5th index onwards. So we will be getting morning as output. Let's use both start and end index. We will be providing 5 as start index and we will provide 9 as end index. What we will get? Let's see. It is morn. So it will start from the 5th index, that is capital M. It will go to 8th index, that is N. So it will print MORN. Remember, end index will not be printed. The string slicing always consider end index minus 1 for slicing. That's why we will be getting morn as output. So let's start negative slicing. Minus 1. So we will be getting small g as output, because my string has small g at the last as a last character of the string. Let's try to print morning using negative indices. For that we need to find capital M index. Let's calculate minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So minus 7 will be the negative index of capital M. We are going to print characters which will start from capital M onwards. So we will just put colon here. Let's see what we have got. It is morning. So in this way we can use negative indices to slice our string as well. So let's use step option. For that we are going to define other string, num string, to get better understanding of step option. So we are going to define string with the numbers. Let's use step option here. Let's use step option as a 2 and run it. So what we will be getting? We will be getting the elements which are present at even position, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, likewise. Let's reverse the string using step option. This is important syntax of reversing string, colon colon -1. By using this you can reverse the string. So in this way we have used start index, end index and step option. Let's perform operators on a string. String concatenation. So if you have two strings, string 1 as hello and string 2 take node extras. So if you want to concatenate these two strings and prepare one string with hello space take node extras, then we can use below syntax. String 3 is equal to string 1 plus we need to give space within it. So we will be providing one space as a string itself, then string 2. Let's try printing third string. See, we have got hello concatenation with take node extras. In this way we can do string concatenation by using plus operator. Let's use multiply operator with the string. So we have string 1 as hello. Let's multiply this string 1 with 5 number and print the result. See, we have got hello printed for 5 times as we have used multiplication operator on it. In this way we can use multiplication operator to replicate the same string again and again. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. We have covered almost all things regarding Python strings in our first and second part of the videos. Please do watch them completely. You can provide your feedback and queries by commenting below the videos. Please hit subscribe button and bell icon to get complete notifications of latest uploaded videos. Please like and share this video with everyone who wants to learn Python in simple way. Thank you. Bye. Take care.